So, good morning student. This is my fourth video on your topic suppository. In last video we have discussed the advantages of theobromine oil over the theobromine oil as a synthetic hydrogenated oil. As they contract on cooling, it does not require to mold lubrication. It acts as a lubricating agent. Then synthetic hydrogenated oil has a disadvantage. It becomes brittle after rapid cooling. When we are rapidly cooling the suppository, it has a property of brittleness. It is less viscous than theobromine oil, but it has a property or it has a less viscous than your theobromine oil. Synthetic hydrogenated then hydrophilic base. In hydrophilic base, we are discussed glycerogelatin base as an example. Glycerogelatin base is a mixture of glycerin and water which is made thick, stiff jelly by addition of your gelatin. When you are preparing the glycerin plus water plus gelatin, it gives you the glycerogelatin base. As it is hydrophilic in nature, suppositories prepared using glycerogelatin base slowly dissolve in the aqueous secretion and provide the slow continuous release of your drug because it has a aqueous solubility in nature. Leads to the slow release of your medicament takes place at the cavity. It is particularly useful in vaginal suppository. Glycerogelatin base are used to manufacture the vaginal suppositories. Then disadvantage of glycerogelatin base, they have physiologically action. Glycerol suppository BP is a laxative, where glycerol has a property act as a laxative which leads to your laxative action when you are administered into your rectal. Difficult to prepare and handle. While preparing the suppository with your glycerogelatin base, it is difficult. Hygroscopic in nature, it absorbs the water. Prone to microbial contamination, it containing the water, and water is responsible for the growth of your microorganism. Suppository prepare are difficult to remove from the mold, hence lubrication of mold is required. When we are choosing the glycerogelatin base, it has a require more lubrication. Incompatible with your protein. If you want to prepare the protein drug suppository, in that case you cannot be used the glycerogelatin base because it has a chemical interaction with your protein or incompatibility with your protein molecule. Then soap glycerin. Next is soap glycerin. It is the same as that of glycerogelatin base. Gelatin is replaced soap as a hardening agent. You have to use glycerin plus water plus soap. You use soap glycerin. And how will we prepare the soap? Soap is produced by interaction between stearic acid and sodium bicarbonate. Give the soap preparation. You can add into the glycerin plus water plus soap. It gives your soap glycerin base. What are the advantages of soap glycerin? Soap glycerin base over the glycerogelatin base are large quantity of glycerin can be incorporated actually up to the 95% mass, which can assist the action of glycerin. You are adding the large amount of glycerin which leads to the assist the action of your glycerin. It makes glycerin sufficient harder than the gelatin, and while this addition of your preparing the soap glycerin base, it assists the sufficient hardener than the gelatin has a sufficient hardener than the gelatin base. Disadvantage, it is very hygroscopic. It has a property to hygroscopic in nature compared to your glycerogelatino base. Then polyethylene glycol are macrogols. They are polymer of ethylene oxide and water and their ether. These are the nothing but the PEG. It also called as a carboxylase and polyglycol. It also another name is carboxylase or polyglycol. Polyethylene glycol having molecular weight 2000 to 1000 are liquid, and those having molecular weight more than 1000 are wax-like consistency. Those having molecular weight more than 1000 each has a wax-like consistency. Suppositories of different melting point can be prepared using combination of different molecular weight polyethylene glycol. You can be prepare the different melting point suppositories by combination with using the combination of polyethylene glycol. Following composition are generally used for the preparation of suppository. That is, IP standard given the following composition for the preparation of your suppository. They are giving the combination polyethylene glycol 96% plus polyethylene glycol 0.4%. These are the combination. Use this base is soft and used for the fast release. When you are want to prepare the fast release suppository, you have to go for this combination. Then polyethylene glycol 75%, polyethylene glycol 25%. This combination is used for the slow release of your drug. When you are preparing or using the combination 75 to 25% PEG leads to the slow release of your base. Polyethylene glycol 1540 70% and polyethylene glycol 6000 30%. This combination is used for the drug having the lower melting point. Those drugs having the lower melting point, you can be use this base combination of these to prepare a base. Polyethylene glycol 1540 30%, polyethylene glycol 6000 50% and water 20%. Use this combination as a contain water. It is used for the water soluble drug. Those drugs are water soluble. You want to prepare the suppository of such a drug. That time you have to go for this combination and use this base as a for the preparation of your suppository. Then advantages of polyethylene glycol. Physiologically inert and chemically stable. As a base contrast slightly, there is no requirement of lubricating during molding. It itself acts as a lubricating agent. Produce suppository with clean, smooth appearance, and it has produced the suppository which gives the smooth appearance. As a melting point is above body temperature, that is 42 degrees Celsius, full storage is not required. Because of this temperature has a melting point is 42%, there is no full storage is not required for the solidification. Microbial contamination is less as compared to your other bases. Then disadvantage of polyethylene glycol, hygroscopic in nature, it may be produced brittle suppository. It has a property is a hygroscopic in nature and has a brittle your brittle suppositories. Then water dispersible base. Many non-ionic surfactants chemically related with polyethylene glycol have been used suppository base. Many non-ionic surfactants chemically related with polyethylene glycol have used a suppository base. Most commonly used polyethylene sorbitol fatty acid ester, that is twin the polyoxyethylene stearate merge and the sorbitol fatty acid ester as a SPAD. These are the combination used for the water dispersible base. This surfactant may be used alone, blended or in the combination with other suppository vehicle material to yield wide range of melting point and consistency. While you are choosing or you are preparing such a combination leads to the better water dispersible base PEG along with your twin, along with your merge, along with your spin. When you are using this combination, it gives you the water dispersible base. Then emulsifying agent. Their emulsifying agent. Fourth, mass strinum. It is also called as adept solidus. It is mixture of monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglyceride of saturated fatty acid having formula C11 S23 COOH. These are the emulsifying agent mass sternum containing the monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglyceride having formula. They possess the melting range 33 to 38 degree Celsius. Then next example is mazopol. It consists of glycerol ester mainly of lauric acid, to which very small amount of glycerol monostearate has been added to increase the water absorbing capacity. It has a melting point 34 to 37 degrees Celsius. When we are adding the glycerol ester, lauric acid, to which very small amount of glycerin monostearate leads to your mazopol, that is having the melting point is 34 to 37 degrees Celsius. Then white salt. It is white and colorless, odorless base, consists of triglyceride of saturated vegetable acid with varying proportion of particle ester. What it contains? It contains the triglyceride, saturated vegetable acid and varying proportion of particle ester. The beeswax also added for use in the hot condition. It is in this white spall. You can add the wax to the in hot condition. They are suitable for formulation of eutectic mixture and suppositories. When you want to prepare the eutectic mixture, it means that there is a when we are combining the solid to get the liquid, that is called as a eutectic mixture. And we want to prepare the liquefaction of your drug or suppository, that cases white fall will be used. Waco B bases. It is derived from triglyceride of higher melting fraction of coconut oil and palm kernel oil and many content of 0.25% of lecithin. Waco B base are derived from the triglyceride of higher melting point fraction coconut oil and palm kernel oil may contain the 25% of lecithin. Addition of glycerol monostearate and propylene glycol monostearate make them emulsifiable. In this preparation, you can go and add the glycerol monostearate, propylene glycol monostearate, make them emulsifiable. They make them emulsifiable. Then dihydrous bases. 3 grades of these bases are available to prepare suppository as a base, first, second and G. Grade first and second contain harder fatty alcohol and fat. Grade G contain saturated fatty alcohol so as to increase the melting point of grade first and second. High melting point alcohol may be added. These are the dihydrous bases. Then advantages of these dihydrous bases. Emulsifying base will not be altered its physical characteristics after overheating. Emulsifying base has a property not alter the physical characteristic of your while overheating during formulation of your suppositories. They can absorb large amount of aqueous liquid and contain emulsifying agent. It has a property to absorb a large amount of aqueous liquid in they solidify rapidly, easy liable to get rancid, and it has a property to easy get liability of rancid. Then disadvantage of this base, they are not too viscous, hence added medicament may settle down because it has a property to less viscosity, leads to the settle down of particle or drug will be take place. They become brittle of refrigeration or after rapid cooling. What happens when you are keep the suppositories in your refrigerator or rapid cooling leads to the brittleness was found on your suppositories. Then additive. Plasticizers such as acetyl alcohol, propyl glycol are used to impact softening and resilience to the suppository. When you are used as this acetyl alcohol or propyl alcohol, you use the softness to your suppository. Of additives include antioxidant, BHA, BHT, which are used as a pre-requirement and after checking its compatibility with drug as a suppository basis. You can use as a antioxidant, that is BHA or BHT. What were the antioxidant properties? Which